Built for big groups. Connect up to 16 riders with one-key mesh networking. The blade supports 4-person concurrent speaking, so the leaders can coordinate while everyone listens in real time. Crystal clear audio at any speed, featuring high-res certified speakers and AI noise cancellation. Thanks to audio mixing, you can enjoy your playlist on GPS while staying in the conversation. Smart and hands-free. Wake it up with Hello FreedConn. You can even bring an incoming phone call directly into the mesh intercom group, keeping everyone in the loop without stopping. Rugged and reliable, the blade is IP67 waterproof and supports 5V/1.4A fast charging. A 5-minute charge gives you 2 hours of talk time. It's the ultimate choice for professional riders. Introducing the FreedConn blade. Sleek, aerodynamic, and powerful. Under the hood, it's driven by a Qualcomm V5.1 Dual-Chip architecture and a massive 1400 mAh battery for ultimate performance. With 20 years of expertise and presence in 150+ countries, FreedConn is your trusted partner. We are looking for global agents. Partner with us and lead the market with the blade.